Look, Harvard kids aren't born with extra RAM in their brains. They just run 4 debugged programs the rest of us never installed. Copy-paste these 4 lines of code tonight, and your next quiz won't know what hit it. Seriously, it's about to get easier to ace that test. Section 1. Active Recall. First hack, a game changer. Ditch the highlighter. Stop passively rereading and start interrogating your notes. Think detective. Open your notes, pick 3 juicy concepts, and turn each into a question you can answer out loud. Why out loud? It forces your brain to produce the answer, not just recognize it. Flashcards work, but for a super fast, low-tech build, try the scrap paper shuffle. Grab stickies, write the question on one side, the answer on the back. Scatter them face down. Flip one every 30 seconds. If you blank, that's a quick fail fast moment. That struggle, that's the rep, building your memory muscle. One Harvard sophomore shaved bio study time from 4 hours to 90 minutes by swapping rereading for self-quizzing. Do 3 quick rounds. Your brain keeps lifting after you leave the gym. This isn't just about memorizing, it's about understanding deeply. Section 2. Study groups on steroids. Second hack, turn your typical study group into a powerhouse with the 2-hour micro-lecture circle. Forget rambling sessions. This is structured, intense, and effective. How it rolls? Maximum 4 people, each takes one topic and gets 10 minutes, max, to teach it. The secret sauce? Everyone writes one truly nasty, challenging question the presenter must answer live. Teaching under that friendly fire forces you to patch holes you didn't even realize existed. Psychology prof. Daniel Schachter's 2022 study showed peer teaching doubles retention versus solo review. When you meet, phones are banned. Stand up, use a whiteboard if you can, and rotate who tees up that killer question. One focus circle, 2 hours, and boom, an entire chapter is locked in your brain. You're teaching, defending, and solidifying that knowledge. Section 3. Spaced Repetition Light. Third hack, schedule your study sessions like Netflix drops, not cram marathons. The idea is simple. Day 0, learn the concept. Day 2, quiz yourself once. Day 5, quiz it again. Day 10, mix it up, quizzing that concept alongside 2 older topics. You're basically tricking your brain into remembering by strategically re-exposing it to information right before it forgets. For the free version, just grab colored dots or different colored pens and mark up your physical planner. A red dot means quiz today. A green dot means quiz in 3 days. When the dot color changes, that's your app-free algorithm working its magic. Anki is fancy, but these simple dots keep you honest and on track, even offline. Neuroscience lab data from Harvard Medical School showed this strategic spacing can slash forgetting by a whopping 70% versus massed practice. 4 dots, 1 week, building towards lifetime retention. Section 4. Pomodoro with a twist. Fourth hack, a personal favorite for staying super focused. The 25-5-25 sprint with a brilliant cheat sheet reward. Here's the deal. Set a kitchen timer for 25 minutes. Dive deep, no distractions, pure focus. When that timer dings, you've earned it, a 5-minute break. But here's the twist. During that break, you also earn the right to create 1 index card of notes. Best part? You get to keep that card for your final exam. There's a catch. You only get the card if you stayed completely off every app, notification, and social media scroll during your 25-minute sprint. No cheating. After 4 cycles, 2 hours of focused work, you've not only gotten a ton done, but you've also built a mini summary stack. These cards are legally thin, but exam powerful because you earned them. That reward system locks in your focus. Students in Harvard's introductory CS50 course reported 30% faster problem set completion after adopting this gamified Pomodoro. Timer clicks, brain sticks. Conclusion. So there you have it, the 4-line code to unlock your inner Harvard scholar. No ivy-covered gates required. Quiz yourself like a detective. Teach your friends like a seasoned professor. Space your learning like a savvy Netflix release. Sprint through study sessions like you're on a quest earning valuable loot, those killer cheat sheets. These aren't just tricks, they're proven strategies to make your brain work smarter, not just harder. Pick one of these hacks tonight, give it a shot, and then post below which number you're hacking first. If this video leveled up your study game, hit that like button so the algorithm brings another study-crushing episode to your feed. Let's get those grades.